Hi there, welcome back to the channel. If you're feeling stressed and anxious, you're not alone. In these stressful times, it's important to tend to your mental health and well-being. A great way to do that is to cultivate a mindfulness practice. The meditation and mindfulness books displayed in this video are a great way to start. In this video, we're going to know the meaning of meditation and mindfulness, their benefits, and also display books to read if you want to cultivate mindful practices. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice that aims at focusing the mind and training awareness. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment while calmly accepting one's feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensation. Meditation and mindfulness go hand in hand. A lot of us have been going through a lot lately. It's no new thing considering how the world is presently. But in this situation, we must find a way of keeping our minds focused and calm. Meditation has been a solution to many, especially those who battle with overthinking, stress, anxiety, and depression. Here are some benefits of meditation and mindfulness according to research. The benefits of meditating translate to your daily life, helping you control worry and overthinking. 1. It increases positivity and promotes focus. 2. It can decrease stress and anxiety. 3. It can help preserve the aging brain and increases happiness and life satisfaction. 4. It enhances self-awareness and consciousness. 5. It promotes divergent thinking, leading to creativity and exploration of new ideas. The goal of meditation is to bring awareness to the mind and redirect your thoughts, not to completely clear your mind, which is apparently impossible. Meditation can be confusing and difficult to grasp at the beginning. That's when you might reach for a good book on meditation or mindfulness to serve as an inspirational guide. We've made it easy by presenting 5 of our favorites amongst the ever-growing number of meditation books out there. Meditation requires a great deal of patience and commitment, but we all know it's so rewarding if practiced on a regular basis. 1. The Miracle of Mindfulness by Thich Nhat Hanh. 2. Declutter Your Mind by S.J. Scott and Barry Davenport. 3. Mindfulness in Plain English by Grant Gunaratana. 4. 10% Happier by Dan Harris. 5. Wherever You Go, There You Are by John Zinn. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be updated whenever a video is being uploaded to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.